Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. On my second channel, Miss Hentai Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my web address. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.